Cool, ladies and gentlemen, in this video I'm going to be doing a total product overview of the Smelter 55KPA 650W Cordless Stick Vacuum Cleaner with a 70-minute runtime and a self-standing mode. Because it's not only versatile and powerful, but because I want to show you why it's been such an excellent investment for our home. So this is a lightweight cordless stick vacuum cleaner with powerful suction for hardwood floors, tile, carpet, and furniture. Has a super long runtime that's enough to vacuum my entire house all in one go, and comes with several swappable heads for different services. But we got this vacuum for a couple of different reasons. The first is because we've got different types of floors and wanted something that vacuumed effectively on all of them. The second reason is because we've got kids who are constantly making messes, but often drop stuff on the ground like food, crumbs, and other stuff that are just heavier to pick up. So we needed something powerful enough to pick up heavy debris. And the third reason is because we have a dog who is so awesome, but sheds all the time. And so we wanted something that would also effectively remove his hair from our furniture, carpet, and rugs. So if you're looking for a vacuum for any of the same reasons, just go and buy this vacuum. But if you need further convincing, let's talk about the swappable heads in Cyclone, starting with the motor bar cleaning head. So this is your workhorse. You'll use it 90% of the time. It works on all floors, so hardwood floors, carpet, rugs, and tile. Then you have the 2-in-1 brush. Simply pressing this button retracts back and retracts forward the brush head, which is good for removing dust from dusty surfaces in and around things like on tables. Then you have the crevice nozzle for getting into corners to pick up dust and find debris in nooks and hard to reach areas. Then you have this extendable wand that by pressing this button here, it extends the wand into an upright stick vacuum. I love using this under the couch and not having to bend over as much when vacuuming. Then you have this bendable and expandable wand. I call it the Slinky Noodle wand. But it's great for getting in between cushions, behind pillows, and tight spots without having to get the whole Cyclone back there as well. And then finally, you have the Cyclone. So first, you have this little button here that if you press, it releases the dustbin and empties out the dustbin. But then you also, if you push it here, it will allow you to remove the entire dustbin. And then you also get access to the filter. So simply remove the filter and then yank on this pull tab here. And you'll take these apart, you'll run it underwater, let it air dry for 24 hours, and then simply insert it back in, wedge it into place, and then you're good to go. Then it comes with a removable battery that slides in and locks under place under the handle and trigger. And then pressing this trigger, it'll activate the Cyclone and illuminate the back LCD screen to show you how much power you have left and what mode of power you're using. And if you press this button here, it'll switch it from Eco mode to Turbo mode to Turbo Deluxe Boost mode. A couple of fun features is that on Eco mode, I can vacuum my entire house, all floors in one session. Our laundry room, our kids' room, the bathroom, the playroom, this little book nook, a guest room, all of the stairs, the living room, kitchen, the mud room, this little entry room here, our bathroom, closet, and our entire master bedroom all in one go. And what I'll do is occasionally switch it to Turbo Deluxe Boost mode to pick up heavier debris or crumbs and stuff lodged in carpet and rugs. Another great feature is how easy it is to empty out the dustbin. So just be sure you're standing over a trash can, and then you're just gonna press this button here, it'll swing open the door, then just giving it a couple of pats, and if necessary, a grab or two. Then you just push on this door here, lock it into place, and you're good to go. Charging it is pretty simple as well. Simply plug it into this little port found here, and if it's still attached to the Cyclone, it'll illuminate the top LCD screen, indicating how much charging it still needs to reach 100%. But then you can also remove the battery as well to charge separately from the Cyclone for further convenience. So if it isn't obvious by now, this thing picks up fine debris without issues, works great on carpet, hardwood floors, and tile. It takes about 4 hours to charge the battery and allows you to easily vacuum to your heart's content. So yeah, it's great, especially for the Turbo Deluxe Boost mode and picking up lodged crumbs and debris in carpet. So that's my product overview of this ergonomic, efficient, and mean little vacuum cleaner. And if you've gotten this far in my video and found it in any way helpful or informative, even if you end up going with another vacuum, I'd really appreciate just a simple thumbs up or a heart on the video. Over and out.